Welcome to the future of indoor inspections.
Our AI-driven indoor autonomous inspection system is designed to fully automate the mapping and inspection of complex indoor environments. No GPS? No problem. With advanced SLAM technology and AI-powered path planning, the system navigates seamlessly through any facility, day or night.
Equipped with high-resolution cameras and multiple sensors, the robot collects detailed visual and sensor data from every corner of your facility, completely hands-free.
All inspection data is instantly uploaded to the cloud for secure storage and advanced AI analysis. The system automatically detects defects, highlights anomalies, and generates comprehensive, actionable reports, delivering faster, more accurate results than ever before.
With consistent, repeatable surveys, you gain reliable trend analysis, simplified compliance checks, and robust documentation for insurance or regulatory needs.
Up to 40% increase in labor productivity and 30% of inspection tasks can be automated, freeing your team to focus on higher value work.
Reduce human risk by letting robots handle hazardous or hard-to-access inspections while your staff stays safe and productive. From facility management and asset monitoring to safety compliance and insurance documentation, our solution adapts to your every need. Discover the smarter, safer, and more efficient way to inspect your indoor spaces. Scan the QR code to watch a live demo or contact us for more information.